It is an honor for me that I have Professor Dr. Yasmin Sardar with me today here, and it's my privilege to have this great personality with me. As you know that I am making some videos for these children so that I want to provide them some career guidance. Well, it is my privilege and my honor also to be with a personality like you. So, Dr. Saib, first of all, I would like to request you to introduce yourself in very briefly. Tell me something about yourself.
Right. Um, Thank you very much, Mr. Christopher Innocent. I'm honored and I'm very pleased to be part of your program. And my name is Dr. Yasmin Sardar Javed Khan. And I'm born and raised in Pakistan and but living in Canada for last 35 years. By profession, I'm an obstetrics gynecologist, but by passion, I'm a social worker and I'm philanthropist. I'm educationist, and I love to educate and guide students.
Dr. Saib, there is a very impression in our students in Pakistan. These students they think that only the doctor is who has done the MBBS. So my question is that after FSC, will you please tell me something that what other fields a student can adopt and become a doctor?
What a beautiful question, and the need of the time. I think they are lucky that Pakistan government has paid particular attention. The private universities, they have developed so many programs, amazingly beautiful, compatible to Western countries. So once the child does not get admission after FSC in a med school, do not be disappointed because there are hundreds of options for you. There are 100 options for you. Like, as you yourself said, I take an example of University of Lahore. I take an example of UNT. I give an example of University of Central Punjab. These are just to mention few close to my residence. They're offering the programs like physiotherapy, the doctor of physiotherapy. They are doing great, amazing job. The doctor of radiology, and they are doing wonderful job. They do practice ultrasound, and they're part of the medical team. Pharmacist, the doctors are pharmacists. They are amazing. In Canada, where I was trained, and in England and USA, the pharmacist, radiologists, technologists, they are part of the doctor's team. What I want to say, बच्चियां जो ख्वाब the children, they dream to see themselves in white coat, and parents view them only as a doctor. I think beyond that medicine and beyond that white coat, there is a huge opportunity as an educationist. And educationist not only um, in the schools. We think only education is in the primary school, high school, university, and education is a one different department. I'm so glad that education is merged now into the medicine. So even you can work in the medical college and you can be educationist. So the passion can be solved. Apart from that, bete, not only the physiotherapy, the dentistry, radiology, biochemistry, pharmacy, even including IT, artificial intelligence. Look at that, computer science, go into the different field. What is important is not that you become a doctor. A doctor may not serve the humanity, doctor may not serve the community, may not give the mankind the service which a non-medical FSC pass student by choosing and adopting the passions they can do. Look at that. You can be social worker. Punjab University has beautiful programs. Did Abdustar Edi, Mother Teresa, they did med school, but they earned, they contributed to the community.
What do you think? What is the most important quality in a student or a girl or a boy to become a good doctor?
Right. Again, I think the core is a passion. You cannot tell. The other thing I will say, a student should be resilient. Resilience means that number of times as a student you will have less grade, you may not get into the competition, your paper is not accepted as a med school student. But you don't have to lose heart. Keep on trying. A time will come that because Allah wanted you to be the best version of you. You need to be collaborating. The qualities you ask, sir, I will give you an example. Like the 7 key qualities a student of med school should keep: a collaborator. Like the GMS Solution Canada today is collaborating with Ashiana Kite School. The other thing is the medical director. Each med student should consider themselves that they are the medical director of future. The third is advocate. Whom you advocate as a medical student, you should say, I am patient advocate, ambassador of your med school university, because you want to give the best name to your medical school. Collaborator, educator, resilient, passionate. This makes a beautiful med school student, a best future doctor.
Dr. Saab, you have been in Canada and you have been living over there. My question is that when you are far from your homeland, you said that you are born Pakistani, right? So now this is the month of August, and we are going to celebrate our independence. And actually, this month is of celebration. So, what are your feelings now?
You have touched my heart.
Okay.
I think 14th August or the month of August, wherever I am, since I came into this world, blessed with my parents, that this word Pakistan, 14th August, it excites us. When we were in Canada, we have Canadian Pakistan Association. When I was in Middle East, we had Contact Pakistan. When I was in England, again, Live Pakistan. We do celebrate. I'm so lucky this time, 14th of August, inshallah, I am in Lahore. And we are celebrating with Evan Qaid-e-Azam and Nazria Pakistan, who are my collaborator and supporter of GMS Solution. एक ही चीज मैं पाकिस्तानियों को कहती हूँ. And I tell my all students, and the message to the young people is that तूफान से लाए हैं ये कश्ती निकाल कर, इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल कर.
Dr. Saab, do you like any song you remember now in your this national song?
Yeah, there are lots. Actually, I do celebrate 14th August, and I really love celebrating at my home, in community, and at larger level.
Right.
This time, GMS is celebrating in Nazria, Pakistan, along with the Evan Qaid-e-Azam. So the song you said, there are many, but this one particularly, Junaid Jamshed ka, Dil Dil Pakistan.
Okay, if you can sing few words, you can say so that we
Well,
can.
I may not sing that well, but I will try.
Okay,
I will try. Dil, dil, Pakistan, jam, jam, Pakistan, dil, dil, Pakistan, jaan, jaan, Pakistan. ये जमीन ये और आसमान चलता रहे ये कारवां दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा Pakistan.
Dr. Saab, what will be your message for the upcoming students now who are at the moment they are studying in FSC?
Right. My message to them will be multiple facets. First, as I mentioned, that please study not to become the doctor, not with this thing that I will be doctor. Think that I will be the best student version of this institution. I will be the best Pakistani. I'll be the best scholar, best scientist, best educationist, as Qaid-e-Azam wanted to say, as Mohtarma Fatima Jinnah said. So, messages के ये गोल लेकर ना चलें. कि मैंने डॉक्टर बनना है, ऑप्शंस ओपन रखें एंड डोंट लूज होप्स। आसमान तक है, स्काई इज द लिमिट। ये जो हमारे डॉक्टर कदीर खान थे, ही वाज नॉट अ मेडिकल डॉक्टर, स्पार्को के थे। अगर अब सारे डॉक्टर बनेंगे तो बाकी काम कौन करेगा? बिल गेट वॉज नॉट अ मेडिकल डॉक्टर। आपके बिजनेस इंडस्ट्री में हमारे प्रेसिडेंट जो चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स चला रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट डॉक्टर। योर प्रोफेसर्स इन मेड स्कूल से पहले जो है यूनिवर्सिटी से, दे आर नॉट मेडिकल डॉक्टर। आपके डेंटिस्ट, दे आर नॉट मेडिकल डॉक्टर। आपके फिजियोथेरेपी, आपके फार्मासिस्ट। सो माय मैसेज इज दैट कीप ट्राइंग। Everybody does not need to be doctor, but a best Pakistani version, the best profession जिसमें भी हो, आप ड्रामा ही करें, आप आर्ट्स में चले जाएं, be the best actress, be the best actor, be the best film producer, be the best anchor. आप जर्नलिस्ट हैं, learn how to speak truth, how to stand by the truth. So this is my message कि आप जो कुछ भी बने। Many people, sir, they think I'm not a medical doctor, खास तौर पे पाकिस्तान में। They think I'm a social worker or I'm a philanthropist. Well, my own personal and my family and my घर वाले और मेरे माँ बाप की तरबियत भी है ये। पाकिस्तान का हक है बेटा, पढ़ने जाओ। If you go abroad and study, come back to Pakistan. I tried sincerely, but Allah didn't want me, and I came after 35 years. Allah has something set up, lined up for me. My family is in Canada and I'm here in Pakistan.
Thank you, Dr. Saab. Thank you so much.
Christopher.